Hello everyone, welcome to all. Subject Industrial Engineering, Chapter Break Even Analysis, Topic Numerical based on Margin of Safety and Break Even Analysis. So, student, today we are going to discuss some numerical which based on margin of safety and break even point. So, let's start. Read the question. First of all, student, read the question very carefully and take the given data and return all the given data. So read, for a production system, a fixed cost is rupees 4,500 and variable cost is rupees 7,500. Selling cost is rupees 15,000 and number of units produced is 5,000. Then determine. The first one is break even point in units. That means the volume of production corresponding to a break even point is calculated in this question. Okay. The second one is the margin of safety in rupees and in percentage. Second one is a margin of safety is calculated in this question. And third one, the quantity produces for a profit 6,000. So what is the given data? The given data is the fixed cost is rupees 4,500 and variable cost capital V is in rupees 7,500 and total selling cost capital S rupees 15,000 and number of unit produced X is 5,000 unit. So in the question, what is unknown data and calculated data? The break even point in units. So X corresponding to break even point. In the previous session, we was discussed about the break even point and we are calculated one formula which is known as the volume of production corresponding to break even point. So apply the same formula this question and put all the formula value in this formula. Okay, what is the formula of a break even point? X corresponding to break even point is nothing but a volume of production corresponding to break even point is capital F upon small s minus V. Here in this question, the capital S total selling cost is given in terms of rupees 15,000 and capital V is a variable cost in terms of rupees 7,500. But in this formula, the small s and V is put in rupees per unit. So convert this selling cost in rupees per unit. The small s is nothing but 15,000 capital S upon how many units have been produced? The 5,000 units. So it is converted into a unit per unit, rupees per unit is nothing but a 3 rupees per unit, and same here small v is nothing but total variable cost per unit. The total variable cost is 7,500 upon 5,000. So small v is 1.5 rupees per unit. Okay, put this small s and v and capital F in this formula. X corresponding to break even point. What is the total fixed cost? Is a 4,500 and small s is a 3 and small v is 1.5 and calculate this data. So finally the X corresponding to break even point is come 3,000 units. Okay student, what is the answer here? X corresponding to break even point is 3,000 units. Clear to all? And second point, what is the unknown terminology? Margin of safety. Here the margin of safety is determined in terms of rupees. So in the previous session, we was discuss about the margin of safety. Margin of safety is nothing but a total selling cost corresponding to full capacity minus total selling cost corresponding to a break-even point. Here the total selling cost corresponding to full capacity is given in the question, and calculate the total selling cost corresponding to break-even point and put in this formula. So the margin of safety is easily to calculate. Okay, student. So what is a S corresponding to break-even point is nothing but small s into x corresponding to break-even point. Small s is a selling cost in rupees per unit is nothing but a 3 rupees per unit into x corresponding to break-even point is 3000 unit into 3000, nothing but 9000 rupees. Okay, and what is a total selling cost at full capacity is given in question is 15,000 minus 9,000 is nothing but a 6,000 rupees. Okay, 6,000 rupees is your answer. The margin of safety in rupees is 6,000 rupees. But in the question, one more terminology is asked, the margin of safety in percentage. So margin of safety in percentage is nothing but total selling cost at full capacity minus total selling cost corresponding to break-even point upon total selling cost at full capacity into 100 in percentage. Okay, student, the total selling cost is 15,000 minus 9,000 upon 15,000. So here the calculate this data and 40% is your answer. Okay, student, clear to all? What is the margin of safety in rupees and what is the margin of safety in percentage? And last one, the last terminology which has been calculated is the volume of production corresponding to a profit P. Okay, student, the volume of production corresponding to a profit P, and P is given as a rupees 6,000. So in the previous session, it was discussed about this terminology. The volume of production corresponding to a profit P is nothing but F plus P upon small s minus V. Here the F is given in question, which is a 4,500 plus P is given in question 6,000 upon small s has been calculated, which is a 3 rupees per unit, and small v is 1.5, and calculate this equation and find what is the answer, student? Yes, the 7,000 unit is your answer. Okay, clear to all? This 7,000 unit has been produced to make a profit of rupees 6,000. Okay, student, clear to all? What is the volume of production corresponding to break-even point is a 3,000 unit. Okay, student.